It's Michelle here, property specialist at Open Doors Realty. I wanted to personally welcome you to Solinea, a resort condominium right across Ayala Center, Cebu, inside Cebu Business Park. I'm really excited to bring this property into the rental market. If you're looking a place to stay, this is what you've been looking for. It's 71 square meters, 2-bedroom unit with balcony, 1 toilet and bath, and it's fully furnished. Come on in and take a look at this beautiful home, and I hope you will enjoy this as much as I did. First in the kitchen area. So right here is your sink. This is your countertop. It's made of jet black granite. This one here is the backsplash. It's a mosaic tiles. Refrigerator is a Samsung brand. Electrolux range hood and the full set of stove. And then this one is a granite cassia wood laminated overhead cabinet. So as you can see, there's a lot of storage spaces where you can put your grocery stuffs, your utensils over here. Let's check out the living area. So this dining table here is from Metamorpho. It's a high quality leather sofa. And check this out, your view. This is facing amenity. This unit is the color combination. It's white painted walls and the ornamentals here are greens, some are blues. And so right here, the second bedroom. Come inside. So here, your bed frame is from Metamorphos. The flooring is a teak wood. This one here is a laminated wood. Let's check this out. Your toilet and the glass partition. And your sink over here and your vanity mirror. This is what we've been waiting for, the master bedroom. Come inside. So here the bed frame is from Metamorphos. Flooring is Sumatra teak wood. You have here the hanging shelves where you can put your ornamentals. Bedside table from Metamorphos, and this one as well. Good with a corner unit. It will give you more natural lighting. So check this balcony. Let me open this. Look at this. So can you imagine living here, waking up every morning with this beautiful view? the amenities, and the city view. Now let's take a look to the amenities. I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful home. If you have any questions about the property, feel free to contact us at any of our contact details below. Please don't forget to click subscribe with our official YouTube channel, Open Doors, our Facebook page, Open Doors Realty, our Instagram at opendoors.ph for you to be updated with our new videos and property listings. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye!